In this After Effects tutorial, I will show you how to create this text animation that looks a bit advanced, but it is actually super easy. So let's dive in. We start by creating a new composition. It's going to be 1080 by 1920. I'm going to call this CC Split 2. I'm going to press Ctrl Y to create a new solid. Then I'm going to add text to it. Okay, the text is ZIPPER for now. And then I'm going to change the fonts to Humane Black, not Humane, Humane Black. And then I'm going to change its size to something gigantic. And then I'm going to align it to the center. Okay, then I'm going to recenter the anchor point. Okay, this is out of habit. Then we are going to create a bar. The blue bar that you see. Okay, so first of all, I don't think I'm going to pick the color from this, so I'm going to copy and then I'm going to paste this. Then I'm going to get rid of the stroke and then I'm going to simply draw this bar like this, and then I'm going to align it to the center as well. Now I'm going to increase the scale by pressing S and then just changing this. Okay, it's going to be around 135, 136. Right, once that is done, we are going to create adjustment layer. The shortcut for the adjustment layer is Ctrl Alt Y. Then I'm going to apply an effect called CC Jaws. So I'm going to change the completion to 2 here. I'm going to change the height in a way that it fits this bar, right? That's why we have created this bar, okay? Then I'm going to change the width to something around 2, okay? And once that is done, I'm going to select Robo Jaw, okay? So we now have something that resembles with the zip. Now I'm going to apply an effect called CC Split 2. So this effect is also crucial, okay? So CC Split 2 helps you literally cuts your layer into 2 halves and lets you move each half independently. So when you apply CC Split, you basically split the layer into 2 portions and this point A and point B are the ends, okay? And split 1 and split 2 are the amount of the split on both the sides, okay? Upper and the bottom. Okay, I'm going to just align it with point A. I'm going to keyframe point B, then I'm going to press U to reveal the keyframes. Then I'm going to go at 15 frames, okay? And I'm going to change the X coordinates, okay? So something like this, and I'm going to manually do that, right? Once that is done, I'm going to go 15 frames ahead. So we'll be going at 1 second. Okay, and I'm going to copy this keyframe and paste it there. Then I'm going to go 15 frames ahead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to copy this first keyframe and paste it there, okay? Then I'm going to press N to bring the work area end here, and we have this really simple animation. Now I'm going to create another composition, and I'm going to call this main zipper, okay? Now I'm going to bring CC Split 2 into this. I'm going to press Ctrl Y to create a new solid, and then I'm going to select the color that is yellow, which yellow and blue are my favorite. And so I'm going to choose color that looks nice, I guess. Then I'm going to hit OK, right? Now I'm going to select the rectangle tool and then I'm going to select CC Split 2. We are going to create a mask here like this, right? Then I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate this. Then I'm going to press M and then I'm going to invert it, right? And so we have this effect, right? But we still want to make sure that this yellow part is visible only when the zip is opening, okay? So to do that, I'm going to just bring it down below like this. But you see, there is this yellow portion there, right? On the top, okay? That bothers me, okay? And to cover that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another solid by pressing Ctrl Y. I'm going to pick this black color and then I'm going to place it in a way that it places at there and it basically covers this, okay? Now I'm going to apply drop shadow and then I'm going to change the distance. First of all, I'm going to change the direction, then I'm going to change the distance, then I'm going to soften it, okay, to something around here. And this depends on your preference, by the way. It's not written in stones, okay? So Now we have this another problem. All you have to do is change the sequence of the layer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this on top, and then that problem takes care of itself. Okay, so we have this really simple animation